right, boys and girls, welcome to Girl on Guitar, Taylor Swift. Yes, you know about her. Eldest Daughter, track number 5 from the latest album. That is great, 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 great. And this is played on guitar. You can see that right now. I'm using Anchor guitars, a great choice when you want to have a lot of guitar for cheap money. You can use my coupon code, Girl on Guitar 10, get 10% off. Yeah, slipped a little bit there, but yeah, check Anchor Guitars, great manufacturer and creator of guitars. And yes, this is actually a piano-based song to begin with, and then it goes into the guitar strumming. You can hear that clearly in the second round in the song. So I'm gonna use that strumming where you use guitar in that song and teach you how to play this song. So let's go into this tutorial. Without any capo, we have 5 simple chords. Very easy to handle, guys. So let's go into it, starting with A minor. A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. That is the main 3 chords, but we also need to throw in the bridge chords used there, and that is D to start with, and that goes open D, second G, third B, second E. And finally we have the E minor, which is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Now let's go into the strumming, and we're gonna start with the first A minor chord. So grab that one, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with 2 downs, and then comes up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's it. So 2 downs first, down, down, and then up, down, 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 up. And a couple rounds. And so on. Now, let's go into the song and learn the main pattern, which makes up for like 95% of the song or so. So A minor, 1 full string round. You go then to C and play 1 full string round, and then G, 2 full string rounds. And that's it. So A minor 1, C1, G2, like this. Alright, so that's the main pattern, but then at 2 minutes and 39 seconds in, we lie back. That is where we are in the lyrics. And you're gonna play D, 1 string around, E minor, 1 string around, C1, and G1. You're gonna play that again, so 2 rounds in total. And then after that, you're gonna end with A minor, 1 down, C, 1 down, and G, 1 down, with pauses in between. And the pauses will be the length of as if you would play the main strumming pattern, alright? So A minor, 1 down with like 1 strumming around quietly, has a pause, and then C the same, and then G with 2 strumming rounds. That's twice as long, that pause. So that is the bridge part. I'm gonna play it for you. So D1, E minor 1, C1, G1 for 2 rounds, and then we're gonna end off with A minor, C, G, 1 down per chord, like this. Down, C, 1 down, and G, 1 down, then you just go back to the main pattern, A minor C G, and play that till the very end, guys. And there you have it, Taylor Swift's Eldest Daughter. That's the track number 5. Okay, guys, we had a couple of songs from our album, and we're gonna have a couple more left here. So be back, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, guys. Play tuned.